Hi everyone, Josue here with Green Shell Technology, and I wanted to make a quick video today talking about business internet lines, or redundancy internet lines, and how you can keep your business up and running during an internet outage. So for the most part, a lot of businesses only have one internet line coming into their location. A lot of times that's because there's only one available. The way the FCC has our regulations and laws set out, basically one company can't encroach where another one is, so we only have one provider at any given time for landline internet services. Because of that, if that one provider, be it AT&T, Spectrum, whatever the company is, were to have an internet outage, basically your office is going to be out of internet for however long that situation is going on, or that internet is out for. And especially nowadays where more and more business services are online and we have more cloud-based applications such as Office 365 and other applications like that, where not necessarily in the terms of Office 365, but other applications where they're only available online, that's going to put a real, that's really going to stop your business and put a halt into your workflow for the day. So for situations like that, we would recommend installing a backup internet service through a 4G service provider. And this can be AT&T, Verizon, I believe T-Mobile also has some, although I haven't deployed those in the past. But you can do that through something like this, and this is a Pepwave router. And so what this router does, it actually has, and I don't know if how clear it's going to come out on the camera, but it has two spots. So if you remove this little cover here, you'll see there's two slots for SIM cards, and they're kind of labeled A and B here. And on the front, we end up having what's the WAN, which is your internet service, and then the two LAN ports here. So basically what that does is you take your internet that you currently have right now, you plug that into the WAN, and then you plug the other side into your current network. And so all that's doing is taking the internet that you already have, forwarding it through this router, and passing that over to the rest of your devices. So everything would work exactly the way it is now. However, this has a failover going through the 4G card. So what happens is once that internet line stops working, whatever 4G card is available and you have plugged into here and configured on here is going to kick in. So from the user perspective, they never really lose internet, because the switchover is so quickly that you never really notice it. You might notice it in a situation if you were using voice over internet phone lines. There might be enough of a downtime that you'll actually hear the phone line cut off for a second. You might miss a word or two, but you won't actually lose that connection. At least in my experience, that hasn't been the case. And so I would really recommend putting one of these, and depending on what's available in your area, I know AT&T right now gives you something like 50 gigs or 30 gigs, something like that. I'm not sure, they keep changing it all the time, that you can use as your backup, and it's really not that expensive, especially when you consider how much downtime would actually cost your company. If you have 4, 5, 6 employees or more, and suddenly they can't work for an hour, you still have to pay them for that hour, so it's going to cost you quite a bit. So the $100 or so that you pay a month just to have that redundancy in place isn't really that much in comparison. And I would really recommend this. Now this Pepwave, this isn't the only device that's available that does this. I know there's a couple other brands, but this one in particular, I know I've actually used in the past. I've got hands-on experience with, and it works really, really well. So I would definitely recommend one of these. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, give us a call, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions and help you deploy one of these for your business, or even, whether that's a home business or an office that you want to deploy this in. Thank you.